Hello everyone, thanks Barber DTS for tattoo supplies. What's in this shopper? And this is Bishop and Critical Advanced Battery. I have a standard size. Also on the site there is also a battery short. As stated on the website, this battery can work up to 15 hours. And this is very impressive, because during long sessions you won't have to pause and charge the tattoo machine. The short battery will work up to 6 hours, but your machine will be more compact. Strong and good attachment to the tattoo machine. Let's turn it on. Buttons for changing voltage. Quick switch buttons. If you hold down these two buttons, the settings will open. There are a lot of settings here. For example, you can activate or deactivate jump start. You can hide the timer from the main screen. You can also choose whether you want to see hertz and voltage or just voltage. By holding down these two buttons, you will see a timer with payment for working time. You can also change which side is more convenient for you to change the voltage. I will try this battery on my Prime Pen tattoo machine. This battery is suitable for one Bishop machines, other Bishop machines too, Prime Pen tattoo machine, and all machines that have a critical connector. The Prime Pen and Bishop batteries feel about the same. The Bishop battery has an advantage, it has a larger screen. Holds on very tightly. And now you can watch the tattoo process. Thanks for watching. See you soon.